Strabag is a European technology group for construction services headquartered in Vienna. Strabag is one of Europe's largest construction companies, and we cover all services related to the building industry. In 2015, we started using drones for surveying and 3D data generation to achieve efficiency gains for internal and external clients. This had an impact on our workflows and simplified many steps in our operations. Setting up ground control points used to be a time-consuming process. In the past, we needed 20 to 40 GCPs per square kilometer, which took several hours to place. By deploying the Phantom 4 RTK, we can reduce the number of GCPs to 3 to 5, and even to 0 under certain circumstances. For us, the Phantom 4 RTK is another step forward in making construction surveying with drones simpler. It is compact and flexible, and therefore can be a useful tool for our teams at Strabag. In order to use all the benefits of the fully integrated system, in RTK mode, we are using network RTK services. To achieve even more accurate results, especially in areas with bad mobile network coverage, the DRTK2 mobile station can be connected with ease. The long battery life of up to 30 minutes allows us to map large areas during a single flight. The Phantom 4 RTK provides an integrated flight planning app in the remote control, including all relevant surveying parameters to make flight planning easy and efficient. This helps us to gather consistent data that can be easily processed with accurate results. If the area is too large to map on a single battery charge, the Phantom 4 RTK will automatically resume the mission at the same point after the battery has been replaced. Without ground control points, the achievable horizontal accuracy is up to 3 centimeters. This is the foundation for delivering good results in volume calculation, terrain modeling, and progress monitoring. The Phantom 4 RTK also offers the opportunity to choose between RTK and Ppk. After the flight, the data is uploaded on-site to the cloud to be processed by the surveyor's preferred post-processing software. Drone-generated survey data is comprehensive, which is an advantage for detailed 3D modeling and related evaluations. Thanks to the Phantom 4 RTK's consistent data capturing process, engineers are assured that they receive the necessary models according to their project requirements. In due course, the models are available for the engineers to download on-site. Drones are proving to be very efficient tools in the construction industry, and I'm convinced that they will be integrated more and more into construction processes on the international stage. As an innovation leader, it is our desire to execute complex construction projects with the highest quality and to deliver results on time. The Phantom 4 RTK contributes in many aspects. We are looking forward to working with the Phantom 4 RTK.